kibuga. Tawafiki Bucha abasangibwa ku luguudo lwa Salaam okumpi ne Makindye Senior Secondary School okulira na Pearline Primary School ngukirira ku Charles City. Batunda ennyama ennungi ng'ate eri fresh. Weetaaga ya mikolo, weetaaga ya waka, ogyetaaga luddawa. Era mu bipimo kika ki. Bakubira essimu bajja gikutuusaako wonna w'ogyetaaze essaawa yonna. Okumanya ebisingawo kubira Tawfik Bucha ku nnamba eno ku 0752 23 89 33 oba 0774 73 45 85. Tawfik Bucha tweweeyo kuweereza essaawa 24.
People gather up country and in other respective places, leaving some of their properties, some of their places unattended to. In this way, we want to discourage land grabbers that in this period, if it comes out that one entered into a property in this period, we shall not need a court order to remove you because it is evident that you used an opportunity of someone's absence. Those who take possession of developed or of contested areas whereby there is a contention and one takes possession of that area, another also develops that area, we shall not need any permission from anyone once it comes out that you developed on a contested piece of land in these festive seasons. Also those who use the absence of authorities like KCCA to demolish properties, but also to take advantage of construction which compromises building standards, and you do it in this period of time, we also discourage you that we shall have to take action if it comes out with evidence that you did so in this festive season. Also all court orders, even if they have been cleared in this court, in this Christmas season and the New Year, where we have almost the absence of majority of the people and other parties, those court orders will have to wait until these festive seasons are done. And we also want to discourage landlords who intend to evict tenants in this festive season using the advantage of their absence, that also once it comes to the attention of the authorities, it shall not be entertained. And lastly, we want to caution motorists and road users. We have enough evidence now of overspeeding, the results of overspeeding. We have enough evidence of drink driving and recklessness of the road use. So we want to caution road users not to take advantage of this. Yes, we have traffic. Yes, we have to spend more hours on the road, but also the discipline we intend to use will determine the safety of other road users. We want to discourage people, drivers of government cars and other MDAs, not to bully other road users. We have so many people traveling, others are cycling, others are pedestrians, others, much as their cars are old, they deserve the respect on the road. So we want also to ask the transport officers in the respective government departments to issue cautions to their drivers, not to bully traffic and not to bully other road users taking advantage of the cars they drive. It causes accidents and puts other road users on tenterhooks. We advise them to take caution of this. In the same way, we want to ask the public, take those pictures of bad road users and bad drivers, take those videos and share them on the platforms where police can see them. It can be on Facebook, it can be on X or Twitter, it can be on WhatsApp. Also, don't use this as a malice, because cameras can track. Police cameras or the cameras on the road can track. If you malice someone that is overspeeding, it can also be shown from camera A to camera B or C or D. it can be determined whether this person is indeed overspeeding, or it can also be tracked on whether they are using the road inconsiderately. So we want to ask all other road users to take caution so that we don't go into misery of tears where we are supposed to have joy in these festive seasons. I wish you a Merry Christmas. If you are safe and responsible, others and everyone is.
We are prepared. Definitely, we have the structures right from headquarters up to the district or to the lowest person down. The announcements that have been made, definitely from here, we have our internal system of disseminating messages right from the RPC, the DPCs, and the stations down there, or the police posts. You know, these structures, that's where the villages are, that's where the farmers are. So we don't need to reinvent the wheel. All we need to do is just to send the information, then it trickles down through the systems that are on ground,